Hey, in this quick video, we're going to be taking off our valve cover on this car because it's really ugly. Okay, as you can see, the paint is peeling and it's just horrible looking, so we're going to take it off. Okay, we're loosening up our coil bolts. So we're gonna just wash it up really quick outside with some degreaser water, wash it down so we can give it to them nice and clean. And degreaser, got it all clean. I just got back from the sandblasting shop. This is how it looks. You can see how bad it is actually, the heat cracks in it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some red paint on it. I got everything buttoned up. It looks all painted, you know. It could have came out better if I sanded the aluminum with finer sandpaper, but you know, I wasn't too worried about it. I just wanted to get the old paint off and put some fresh paint on it. But I think it looks pretty good, you know. Here, I sand the top of it so that compressor will be aluminum look. I know I said I was gonna do that, but I ended up putting it together. I just wanted to put it together and get it running. So, cover up quick. We sandblasted our engine, repainted it, cleaned this cover. We didn't paint that cover, we just cleaned it. And I think it looks great. It's totally different. Looks like a different engine on the. We sandblasted our engine, repainted it.